First, take all accessories out of the box. The main items inside the box are a filter, a handheld vacuum cleaner, and a USB cable. A filter is already pre-assembled in the handheld vacuum cleaner. Remove the base and peel off the protective cover of the switch. Remove the nozzle brush from the base. This is a nozzle with a collapsible brush. Assemble the nozzle on the handheld vacuum cleaner. Use the brush to sweep up debris crumbs. The brush needs to be folded when vacuuming. Long press the switch to turn it on, short press to switch the vacuuming power. Long press the switch to turn off. Comes with a small brush that cleans crevices and filters. You can charge the handheld vacuum cleaner using a Type-C cable and a phone charger with an output voltage of 5 V2A or more. The charging port is on the top of the vacuum cleaner and plugs into charge. The battery indicator shows the charging status when charging. If the light is flashing on and off, unplug the charger and wait 15 minutes before charging. Remove the dust cup by turning the marked point towards the unlock icon. Remove the filter and empty the dust cup. Assemble the filter. Align the marker with the unlock icon and insert the dust cup into the vacuum cleaner. Turn the cup towards the OFF lock direction to complete the assembly. Note: first, the filter can be rinsed with water and recycled. Do not soak the filter in vacuum cleaner. Second, make sure the filter is completely dry before assembling it. Third, always make sure you have assembled the filter when vacuuming. Fourth, clean the dust cup when it is full.